Hi guys, good evening and a very warm welcome to the session here. I can see some of you have already joined us here. A very good evening everyone. I hope you guys are doing well and your preparations are going good too. Well, today's session, as you know, is based on mains level questions, right? So today onwards, we will be checking out the mains level questions, right? So chalo, let's quickly start this session here. Good evening everyone. Kavita, good evening. Good evening everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. So chalo, let's quickly start the session. Aditya, very good evening. Good evening everybody. But before starting off with the session, guys, one small request to everybody, that is please like the session and also share it with your friends and let them know that we are starting with the main session today onwards, right? So chalo, let's quickly have a look at the questions that we have taken for today, right? But before that, I hope you have already downloaded the app for Oliveboard and also you have subscribed to the official channel of Oliveboard. नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से कर लो, ठीक है? चलो, let's have a look at the first question. The first question is there on your screen. Let's quickly try this out, ठीक है? Check this out. Let's see. Good evening, everyone. Try this out, guys. Let's see. Good evening, Shravani. Good evening, everyone. Try this out, guys. This is the very first question here. Good evening, Devi. Good evening, everyone. Chalo, try this out. Anybody who has completed the question here? Acha, chalo, let's try this out, right? This is not a very difficult question to be completed. We have started with easy questions, right? And in the coming days, we will be doing more difficult questions as well. So, chalo, let's have a look at this particular question. This is a question which is based on family tree as well as your seating arrangement, right? So, you can see that we have to arrange some 8 people around a circular seating arrangement, and we need to find that how is everybody related to one another, right? Now here the question is, do we need to draw the family tree? That question is to be answered, right? Do we actually need to make the family tree here? If you check, we have everybody's relation given with respect to one person, right? You can see here we have A's mother, A's father, A's sister, A's son, A's daughter. So can we draw the family tree? No, we cannot draw the family tree here, guys, right, Shravani? You can see we will not be able to draw the family tree. Maybe you will be able to make the structure of the family tree, that okay, A has a father, A has a mother, A has a brother. That anyways is given in the question itself in the first paragraph, right? So here you will not be able to name the persons, you will not be able to draw the family tree properly, because no relation is given with respect to multiple people. Like here, let's say if the question says that A is brother, B is sister, F is husband, M's mother, right? So you can see here that we have different relations in that particular scenario. But in this particular question, you can see that everybody's relation is given with respect to A. So it is no use making the blood relation here. Okay. So here let's see how this particular question or any question of this sort should be done. Okay. You can see it is given A was seated third to the right of his sister. A's sister was at a gap of 1 from G, who was a female member of the family. So let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Let's say we have 8 people in here. Okay. So let's try. Let's see what are the possibilities for this situation. So let's say this is your A. Right? Let's say this is the sister here. Okay. Because A is third to the right of sister. Let's say if this is A's sister, so A is third to the right of sister will be like this. Now A's sister is at a gap of 1 from G, who is a female member of the family. So there are two possibilities, right? Let's say this is G here. This is one possibility. Another possibility is this one, right? This can be your G, hai na? Because A's sister is at a gap of 1 from G and G has to be a female member. Now we know the female members are mother, sister, wife and daughter, right? There are 4 members who are female in here. So you can see that this person G cannot be the sister, right? G cannot be the sister because already we have seen that G and sister are at a gap of 1, isn't it? So that means G should be the brother, G should be the mother, wife or daughter, hai na? So you can see that what are the possibilities for G here? G can be the mother, wife or daughter. Even if you check, there is one more information which says that E was A's daughter. So that means this G cannot be the daughter also, because E has to be the daughter. That means for G, we have only 2 possibilities, either the mother or the wife, right? So G has to be either the mother or the wife here. Now let's try to place the rest of the information. What is given here? G, who was a female member. So this is either the mother or the wife. Okay, mother ya wife. Similarly, here also mother or wife. Okay, let's see. After that, what is given? Then we have A's father was seated to the immediate left of F, who was A's son. Okay, we'll try that out later. F was seated third to the right of C. Okay, and if you check, it is also given that F has to be a neighbor of G. Okay, so let's see what is given here. So A's father was to the immediate left of F, who was A's son. Let's say if we take your F here, right, because F has to be a neighbor of G. So if you take your F here, A's father has to be immediate left of, that means you can see G will be the father here, right, because father is immediate left of F. So you can see this is not possible in that case. That means in this particular scenario, F will be here and now A's father is immediate left of this person will be here, isn't it? So you can see F will be this person, A's father is immediate left of F, F who is A's son will be like this. Okay. Similarly, in this case also, where should we have your this person, that is your G here, right? F here. You can see F cannot be this person because already A is here, isn't it? So F has to be this one. But if you place your F here, you can see you cannot place your father, isn't it? That means the second case is invalid. So that means this will be the valid case here. I hope this is clear, everybody. Are we clear till here, everybody? So now you can see that A's father was seated immediate left of F, done. F, who is A's son, F is third to the right of C. So you can see C will be this person because F has to be third to the right of C. Okay. After that, what is given here? Then A's mother is immediate left of H. So mother has to be immediate left of H. Where should we have mother? You can see G can be a mother, H can be this person, isn't it? Similarly, this can be, let's say, mother here. Mother is immediate left of H, not possible. C is mother, not possible because H cannot be here. A cannot be his own mother, isn't it? So you can see, let's say, if we take this one, that is A's mother is immediate left of H. Let's say if we take your H here, then A's mother cannot be placed right. So you can see there is only one possibility that G is the mother, isn't it? So you can see that A's mother is immediate left of H can be possible here only. So this will be your H here and this person will be the mother, isn't it? I hope this is clear, everybody. So you can see this is the type of situation that we are getting. Now what is given? B was neighboring A's wife. Okay. So B can be this person but wife cannot be placed. That means B has to be this person. And B was not the sister of A. So that means B cannot be here. Right? What is not clear, Shravani? Which portion is not clear? Please let me know. Which portion is not clear, Shravani? How did we place your H and mother? Is that the portion? You can see it was given that this person, A's mother, has to be immediate left of H, right? So you can see after F placement, देखो, once we place your F, okay, let's do it again. Let's see. So G was your mother or wife. Okay, this was here, right? This arrangement is clear, Shravani? Till here it is clear, right? After F is placement, so you can see this portion is clear. So now you have to place this information, that is F is third to the right of C. So you have placed your C, you have placed your A, you have placed your F, you have placed your G, right? These four persons are already placed. Now it is given that A's mother is immediate left of H. So let's try where can we place your H. Let's say if you place your H at this position, that is H is the father. So A cannot be A's mother, right? A cannot be the mother. So that means H cannot be father here, right? Similarly, let's say if you placed your H here. So mother should be immediate left of H. Again, you can see that this person is already sister. That means not possible. Let's say we take H here, H as the sister, right? Let's say if we take H here, that is another possibility. Let's see, okay? So we will try the two cases. Let's check. Okay? So this was your G here, mother, wife. This is your F son. This is father, right? This is A, this is C, right? So let's say if we take your H here and A's mother here, this is one possibility, right? Mother is immediate left of H. Similarly, you can take H here also because G also can be the mother, isn't it? So you can see these are the two possibilities that we can have. I hope now we are clear. So these are the two possible scenarios that we can have. So if this is your mother, that means this person G will be the wife here. Okay? So we are getting these two scenarios. After that, let's see what is given. Now it is given E has to be A's daughter. So E is A's daughter. You can see in the first case, E daughter will be placed here. Okay, E daughter will be here. In the second scenario also, you can see E daughter has to be here. Okay, this is going to be daughter. Then after that, B was neighboring A's wife and B was not the sister of A. So in the first case, where should we place your B? You can see you can only place your B here because if you place your B at this position, then wife cannot be placed, isn't it? Because F is already the son and A cannot be his own wife. So that means you can see the only possibility will be here. So B will be sister and H will be wife because B is neighboring A's wife. But in this scenario, B is becoming the sister, which is already given that B cannot be the sister, isn't it? So that means the first case is invalid now. So the second case will be the valid one. So B has to be neighboring the sister. Where should we have your B? You can already see that we have placed the sister as H, right? So B was neighboring A's wife. So where should we have your B here? Can we have B? Are we having a issue here? Let's see, where should we place your B? So B is neighboring the wife. Okay, we'll see that have we done something wrong. A was seated third to the right of sister. That is fine. A's sister at a gap of G, who is female member. That is done. Okay, so B has to be neighboring wife, right? That is what is given here. So wife we have already seen. So B neighboring wife will be here. Okay. So you can see B is a neighbor of wife. So B will be the mother. Absolutely. So now who is the only person remaining? You can see we have A, B, C, D. So D is the only person remaining. So D will be the father here, right? And what will be the relation of C with respect to A? What will be the relation of C with respect to A, guys? ये बताओ. C with respect to A के लिए कौन सा relation बचा है? You can see the only relation that is remaining is your brother, right? I hope this is clear, everybody. Are we clear, guys? Please let me know. Everybody clear with this? Absolutely, Kavita. Absolutely, Lakshmita. That would be the right answer. Okay. Everybody clear with this question? Okay. Okay. Chalo, we'll quickly go to the next question now. Next question on your screen. This is based on coded one, right? You can see coded unknown number of persons are to be placed. Quickly find that how many persons should be there in this particular arrangement. Not a very difficult one. It's a very doable question, right? Very, very doable. Try this out. Let's see. Let's take 2 minutes. Let's solve this. Ten persons. Okay, chalo, let's quickly try it out, right? Let's see if the answer is 10 persons here or not. One very important information is given in the last line. More taught GA ma'am. What happened, Kavita? So you can see there are only 3 persons sitting to the right of X. This is a very, very important line here, which says that X has to be the person who is third from the right end, right? Fourth from the right end, because there are only 3 persons towards his right. Okay. So now let's see what are the informations here. You can see that certain people are sitting in the same row. Everyone is facing the north. And you can see names of few persons have been given, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 persons names are already given. Now if you check, you can see we have the information that X ke right mein there are only 3 persons. That means he has to be fourth from the right end. Now what is given after that? Let's connect it further. You can see XB percentage. B means what? 1 is sitting third to the right of 2, right? So that means the first person. Here you can see that X has to be third to the right of percentage, because in XB percentage, right? If we have XB percentage here, this is the first one, this is the second one, right? 1B2, isn't it? This is a format of 1B2. So 1 is third to the right of 2. That means X has to be third to the right of this percentage, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, this person will be percentage here. Okay. After that, we have XC plus. What is the meaning of C? C means 1 is sitting immediately right of 2. That means X has to be immediate right of plus. So this person will be plus here, isn't it? So now you can see, then we have plus B dollar. What is the meaning of B? Again, B means third to the right. So plus has to be third to the right of dollar. So 1, 2, 3, this will be your dollar here, right? So plus is third to the right of dollar. Now after that we have hash a dollar. What is the meaning of hash a dollar? Sitting second to the left, that means one, that is hash, has to be second to the left of dollar. So you can see this person will be your hash here. Hash is second to the left of dollar. After that, finally, we have this information, that is a hash d, this only hash d, right? What is the meaning of hash d? Hash d means one of the ends. That means hash has to be at one of the ends, isn't it? And finally, we have exclamation dollar. Exclamation d means what? Exclamation means d again. Exclamation d means exclamation is also at one of the ends here. So this end is already taken by hash. So exclamation has to be here, isn't it? So the question was that how many persons are there in this particular arrangement? You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 persons will be the answer in here. Are we clear, everybody? Please let me know if we have any doubts in this particular question. Everybody clear? Good evening, everyone. Norm, very good evening. Everybody clear with this question? A very, very easy question, isn't it? Kunal, very good evening. Chalo, next question on your screen. Let's have a look at this one. Let's try. I'll remove myself from the screen. Just try it out. I'll give you 2 minutes for this. Try this out. A very good question here. This is not an easy question. I'll say that this is a very nice, right? बहुत अच्छा question है. Just try this out. Okay, go through this for let's say 4-5 minutes, and then we will see that how this particular question is to be done. Okay. Chalo, let's try this out. Okay, I hope everybody has gone through this particular question. Now, if you check what is given here, there are 7 persons. They are seated in a row facing the north, and each of them is having a certain amount, right? Kuch paise hai in the forms of rupees 2 and form of rupee 1, right? So some of them, let's say, if have 5 coins of 2 rupees, and let's say we have 7 coins of 1 rupee here. So what should be the total amount? It will be 10 plus 7, that is equal to 17, right? So this is how you have to calculate. Okay. So let's check it out that how this particular question is to be done. Okay. So let's see what is given here. Anything that is fixed in here, we will first write it down, right? So if you check, it is given here, that is Q was seated second from the left end. Okay, this is directly given here that Q has to be seated second from the left end. So this is Q. Similarly, do we have anything else that is given here for fixed? If you check, this is also given. The one who was seated exactly in the middle of the row had 12 coins of rupee 1. Okay, so let's write it down also. That is, this is plus 12 O, right? So this is the person who is exactly in the middle of the row. So this person has to be having 12 coins of rupee 1. Okay. Anything else that is given as a fixed information? I guess no. Okay. So let's check it out. What else do we have here? It is given R was 4 to the right of S. Okay. So R is 4 to the right of S. One possibility is this one. R is 4 to the right of S. And similarly, R is 4 to the right of S. Can be like this as well. S has 8 coins of 2 rupees, right? So S has 8 coins of 2 rupees here. Let's say this is your 8T plus something. Similarly, here also 8T plus something else. After that, what is given? The total amount with S was 2 less than U. Okay, S is equal to U minus 2. Whatever is the amount with U, it has to be U minus 2. U was seated at a gap of 3 from T. The one who is 31 in total was immediate right of P. Total of coins with P was equal to 2 rupees coin with Q. Okay, the one who has 43 was 4 to the left of 35 and total 19 in coins. Difference between T and P is 4. The one who is 21 is third to the left of V. Okay, we'll place that later. P has to be seated at a gap of 1 from Q. This you can place right now, isn't it? Because you have already got your Q. So P is at a gap of 1 from Q. P is at a gap of 1 from Q. R has thrice the number of coins with that of P and was not seated neighboring T. The one who is exactly in the middle row had 12 coins in total. Total amount when the person at the extreme ends has to be 45. Okay. Total number of coins with S is equal to rupee 2 coins with T, who has 26 in total. Total number of coins with T and U have to be same, right? So now if you check, we know that U was seated at a gap of 3 from T. So U and T has to be at a gap of 3 from T. And it is also given that P was not a neighbor of T. So you can see that in the first case, T has to be this person because T and U are at a gap of 1. So this will be your T and U. And the person remaining is your V. So V has to be here. Similarly, in this case, T cannot be this person. So U will be here and T will be here and your V will be here. So we have placed the people, right? In the two cases, you can see we have already placed the people. अब V से क्या relation दे रखा है? देखो, the one who has rupees 21 was third to the left of V. So 1, 2, 3. This person S should be having 21 rupees, isn't it? In this case, you can see 1, 2, 3. U will be the one who is 21, isn't it? So you have these two possibilities here. In the first case, S is the one who is having 21 rupees. In the second case, U is the one who is having 21 rupees. Okay. So now it is given S is equal to U minus 2. So in this case, S is equal to 21. So U has to be how much? U has to be 23, isn't it? U will be 23 in here. Similarly, in the second case, S is equal to U minus 21. That means U minus 2, sorry. So 21 minus 2, that is equal to 9. Hai na? So you can see these are the two possibilities here. Now, if you check in the first case, right, let's talk about the first case here. Can anybody tell me what should be the number of coins with S for rupee 1? You can see he has 8 coins of 2 rupees. He has 21 rupee in total. So, what should be the number of coins for rupee 1 for S? What should be the number of coins for S here for 1 rupee? You can see 8 2s are 16. 16 is already there in terms of 2 rupees. So that means the remaining will be 1 rupee. So that means he will have 5 coins of 1 rupee. Absolutely, Lakshmita. So this will be 5 coins of 1 rupee here. Similarly, in this second case here, you can see we have this S as 8T plus something, and which is equal to 19, right? So how many rupee 1 coin will be there for S? How many coins will be there for S here for 1 rupee? You can see 8 2s are 16. 19 minus 16 gives you a 3. So that means there will be 3 coins of 1 rupee here. Okay, so we have 3 coins of 1 rupee. Okay, so we have these two possibilities. Okay, after that, let's see what else can we place here. Now this is given, the one who has 31 in total was to the immediate right of P. So 31 has to be immediate right of P. You can see in this case, we have this possibility. No, because you can see this is already 23, isn't it? That means this first case is invalid. So that means second case will be the valid one. I hope this is clear. Now P ke immediate right mein we have 31. That means R will be the one who is having 31 rupees. Okay, so R is having 31 rupees in total. After that, let's see what else can we have here. This is also given. The one who has 43 was fourth to the left of 35. Okay, So 43 has to be fourth to the left of 35. So you can see the only possibility will be this one. 43, fourth to the left of 35. Enough. And the one who has 43 was fourth to the left of the one who had 35 in total and 19 coins in total. So we know that this V here has 19 coins in total. So what is the meaning here? We know that let's say X is the number of coins for 1 rupee and Y is the coin of 2 rupee here, and this is equal to how many coins? 19 coins in total. Similarly, if we talk about the value here, we know that X means 1 rupee coin and 2 rupee coins is 2Y, and the total value is how much? This is equal to 35, isn't it? In terms of value, this should be X plus 2Y. X plus 2Y will be equal to 35, and X plus Y, that is in forms of number of coins, it will be equal to 19. So what we need to do, we have to multiply this by 2, right? So this will become 38, isn't it? So now you can see, if you subtract it, what will be the value? You can see we will have X is equal to 3. So that means 1 rupee coins is equal to 3 here, and 2 rupee coin will be equal to how much? You can see 35 minus 3 by 2, that is 32 by 2 is equal to 16. So you can see that for this person V here, we will have 16 coins of 2 rupees and 3 coins of 1 rupee. Are we clear with this? Because you have to find the total amount as 35 such that we have 19 coins in total, and it has to be divided for 1 and 2 rupees denomination, isn't it? So you will see the denomination division will be how many? You can see this is equal to 16 coins of 2 rupees plus 3 coins of 1 rupee. Okay, so this is for your V. Okay, so we have found this for V here. Are we clear, everybody, till here? Please let me know. Everybody clear till here? Now if you check, we have this information also, that is total amount with the person seated at the extremes was 45. So you can see this is already 19. So what should be the value with T here? What should be the value with T, guys? It has to be 45 minus 19. What is the value? What is the value, guys? 45 minus 19, that is equal to 26, isn't it? So T will be equal to how much? It has to be 26. I hope this is clear. Okay. After that, let's see what else can be placed now. So total number of coins with P was equal to the number of 2 rupees coins with Q. Okay. So total number of P here, the number of coins with P is equal to the number of 2 rupees coin that is there with Q. Right. That is already given. We will check that later. Also, it is given the difference between the amounts with T and P has to be 4. Okay. So T is 26. So P can be either minus 4, that is 22, or plus 4, that is equal to 30. Right. Either of the two possibilities can be there for P. Either it is minus 4 or plus 4. Uske baad dekhte what is given here. The one who has 21 was third to the left of V, that is already done. P was seated at a gap of 1 from Q, that is also done. R had thrice the number of 2 rupee coins with P who was not seated neighboring T. So R should have thrice the number of coins as that with P, right? You can see here R has thrice the number of rupee 2 coins, right? So R should have thrice the number. You can see thrice the number means 3 can be there, 6 can be there, 9 can be there. So it has to be a multiple of 3, and it has to be a multiple of the number of 2 rupee coins with that of P. Okay. After that, let's see what is given. The one who was seated exactly in the middle row had 12 rupee coins, 12 coins of rupee 1. So exactly in the middle, that is P here, right? So this is your 12O. Okay, this is there. Okay, 12O is here. So we know that there are 12 coins of rupee 1 with P. Okay, total amount with the persons at the extremes is 45. Done. Total number of coins with S, that is here. Okay, total number of coins with S was equal to the number of 2 rupee coins with T. So how many coins does S have? You can see that's equal to 8 plus 3, that is equal to 11, isn't it? So S has how many coins? S has 11 coins in here. That means T should have 11 coins of 2 rupees, isn't it? So this will be your 11T, है ना? So 11T will be there. 11T plus how many 1 rupee coins should be there? You can see the total is 26, है ना? Total कितना है? 26 है. And if he has 11 coins of 2 rupees, that means 22 is already done. How many coins should be there for 1 rupee? It should be 26 minus 22. That is equal to 4. Isn't it? So there will be 4 coins of 1 rupee here. So this is your 4O. So how many coins does T have? You can see T total has 15 coins. है ना. T has how many coins? T has 11 plus 4, that is equal to 15 coins. Now what was given about this T here? There was one information, that is chalo, we'll check. Total amount of number of coins with S is equal to 2 rupee coins with T, who had 26 in total. That is already done. Total number of coins with T and U is same, right? So T and U should have the same number of coins. So if U has 15 coins here, that means U also should be having 15 coins in here. And he has 21 in total. So what should be the division here? Can anybody tell me? I'll remove myself from the screen. So quickly tell me, what should be the value of the total coins with U? How do we divide U such that we have 15 coins in total? That means x plus y is equal to 15 and x plus 2y is equal to 21. So what should be the value of x and y here? X is the number of 1 rupee coin, y is the number of 2 rupee coin. So what should be the value? Solve it quickly. Guys, jaldi se solve karo. Quickly tell me. You can see you just have to multiply it by 2, right? So 2x plus 2y is equal to 30, isn't it? This will be the value, है ना? So just divide it. You can see, subtract it. So you can see x is equal to how much? This is equal to 9. So if x is equal to 9, so 21 minus 9 is equal to 12. So y is equal to how much? Y will be equal to 6, isn't it? So this has to be 9 coins of 1 rupee and 6 coins of 2 rupee, है ना? So this will be 6 coins of 2 rupees here, and this is going to be 9 coins of 1 rupee. Are we clear till here, guys? Please let me know if we have any doubts till here. Are we clear till here, everybody? Any doubts till here, guys? So now you are left with only R and Q, right? R, Q and P. We are left with P, R and Q, है ना? Baki everything already done here, okay? So let's check how do we complete this one, okay? So let's see the total amount, right? The total amount with S was 2 less than U. So you can see that is already done. U was seated at a gap of 3 from T, done. The one who is 31 is immediate right of P, done. Total coins with P was equal to number of 2 rupee coins with Q. Okay, so what should be the total number of P here? It is given total number of coins with P. We do not know how much is it. It has to be equal to the number of 2 rupee coins with Q. So whatever is here, that is 2 rupee coin, it should be the total number of coins with P here. Okay, we'll check that later. Q was seated second from the left and done. The one who had 43 was fourth to the left of 35 and had 19 coins in total, that is done. The difference between T and P is 4. Okay, we have seen that. The one who was 21 is third to the left of V, done. P was seated at a gap of 1 from Q, ये भी कर चुके हैं हम, है ना? Then we have R has, okay, R has thrice the number of rupee 2 coins with P, who was not neighboring T. Okay, so R के पास कितने coins है? It is given R has thrice the number of coins with 2, thrice the number of 2 rupee coins as that with P. So let's say if we have 12 over here, what can be the possible values here? Okay, let's try what are the possible values here for P. Because we know that P has to be either 22 or 30, isn't it? So let's say if P is 22, okay, there will be one possibility for P22, other possibility for P30. So what are the possibilities here? We know that already 12 rupees there in format of that is 1 rupee coin. So what is the value here? You can see that is going to be 5T here. And similarly in this case, you can see 12 is already taken. So remaining is 18. So that means 9 coins here, isn't it? So this is either 90 plus 12 or it has to be 5T plus 12. But let's say if P is equal to 9T plus 12, what will happen? Absolutely nothing. So what will happen if P is equal to 9T plus 12? You can see this is given R has to be thrice the number of 2 rupee coins with P. So that means it has to be 9 3s are 27. So R will have 27 coins of 2 rupee coins. Can it be possible? Let's say if R has 27 coins of 2 rupees, that means 54 rupees should have been there, isn't it? So 54 to 2 rupees mein hi ho gaya, but the total is 31, hai na? So 27T is not a possibility, isn't it? So 27T is not a possibility for R. That means R cannot be 3 cross 9. Hence, you can see this P cannot be 30, who is 9T plus 12, isn't it? So P has to be 5T plus 12. I hope this is clear. Okay. So P will be how much? This will be 5T plus 12 here. And you can see the total with him will be 22, right? So this is going to be the value for P. Okay, so P is equal to 22. Okay, finally you can see once we find your P, we can find your R also. Why? Because you can see the number of coins with R has to be thrice of the number of 2 rupee coins with P. So 5 3 is a 15, that is this one, right? So 15T here. So 15T means 15 2s are 30, right? So 30 is already there. 1 rupee coin, that is 1 is remaining. So this will be your 1 O. Okay, so this is all done. Now what is given about Q here? It was given, that is the number of coins with P was equal to number of 2 rupee coins with Q, isn't it? It is given here in this particular line. The total number of coins with P is equal to the number of 2 rupee coins with Q. What is the total number of coins with P here? You can see the total number of coins with P is 15, 5 plus 12, that is equal to 17, right? P has how many coins? 17 coins in here, है ना? So if P has 17 coins, that means this Q should have 17 coins of 2 rupees. So you can see this will be 17T here. So 17 2s are 34. Remaining is 9. So you can see 9O will be there for this Q here. Are we clear, everybody? Please let me know if we have any doubts in this particular question. Are we clear? I know that this is a very lengthy question. It's a difficult question, but this is SBI PO mains level. है ना? So ये आपका SBI PO mains है. So you have to do this once again, right? I'll request everybody here to please complete it once again. Do it yourself. You will be able to see that one step at a time. It can be done easily, right? It has to be a calculative one. It is a calculative one, I know, but yes, this is a doable question. But yes, it will take time. It was time taking, absolutely, Shravani. Okay, so these were few questions that we had for today. Okay, I'll give you one for homework also. This is for your homework, guys, which you need to complete in the home. Okay, and mention the answer in the comment section. Kavita, I'll provide the PDF in the group, that is Reasoning by Nikita. Okay, so please join this, guys, Reasoning by Nikita on Telegram. So this is the group that you all have to join for the regular PDFs, for any doubts, everything. Okay, so whatever doubts you have, you can talk to me on Telegram. I'll help you out with it. So thank you so much, guys. One small request to everybody, that is, please let your friends also know that we have started with the mains level content now. So now onwards, we will be having mains classes for your SBI PO mains and RBI assistant mains at 4 p.m. regularly. So do not miss out these sessions. Okay. So guys, in the comment section, you have to mention the answer, that what will be the answer to this particular question. So chalo, thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's session. In case you have any doubts, feel free to talk to me on this particular channel. I'll be happy to help you out with it. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you again with another session. So please take care, stay safe. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Thank you.